Before India's independence, India was under British rule, which was under Queen Victoria. And her closest friend in her final year was actually a young servant from India. In 1887, the newly minted Empress of India celebrated her Golden Jubilee. As a gift from India, she received 2 waiters. One of them was Abdul Karim, a 24-year-old clerk from Agra. He had a crash course in English language and manners shortly before arriving in Britain. He served the Queen and helped her interact with Indian dignitaries at the banquet. Queen Victoria was fascinated by her new attendant from the very start. She described him as the dutiful, tall and serious countenance. One day Karim treated her to chicken curry with dal and pulu. The Queen loved the dish so much that it was added to her regular menu. The communication between them was stiff and she asked him to teach her Urdu. Karim's English lessons were also doubled. Soon they were able to correspond without any intermediaries. Though the Queen treated him well, Karim was not used to menial work. Far from home, he felt like a sojourner in a strange land and among a strange people. Soon he became homesick and wanted to return to India. So Queen Victoria had come up with something to keep him. He was promoted to Munshi, the Queen's personal teacher. The court was very angry and terrified with Queen's act. Karim was not only a lower class, but he was also from different race. He traveled with Queen and was allowed to go to India couples of times. His father got pension and his former employer a promotion upon his request. Karim was given residences at the main royal estates in the UK and back in Agra. His wife joined him in Britain and regularly had tea with the Queen herself. He enjoyed the best opera seats and was even moved to the John Brown's bedchamber. Brown was the Queen's previous servant and favorite who died in 1883. In 1895, Karim was decorated as Companion of the Order of the Indian Empire. Queen Victoria addressed Karim as her closest friend and son in one of her letters to Karim. When the Queen died in 1901, he was the last one to see her body before her casket was closed. After that, Karim was expelled from the court and returned to India. Victoria's letters to him were burned in front of him by the new king's order. Her heirs made sure no trace of the Munshi could be found. But his diary survived. His story became widely known nearly a century after his death in 1909. This is the story. Thank you for watching the video. See you again next time. And please don't forget to subscribe.